Hello and welcome to the short demonstration of new features within Mango using optional Mango modules. I'm assuming that anybody watching this short presentation has already seen the other presentations which show how to structure and administer Mango, and also how Mango is currently being used to support the SMS for Life campaign in Kenya. So what we've done here is we've taken a snapshot of the Kenya data, wrapped it up within a Mango configured application using the look and feel of the Tanzanian Ministry of Health, simply to show what could transpire within Tanzania. Okay, so as before, when we've logged on, we've come straight to the campaign screen, which shows the campaigns and surveys that we have access to according to our logon rights. And over on the right hand side, we have a snapshot of the current situation within the country for the stock and surveillance indicators. So what we're going to do is go and have a look at the stock campaign. And as we can see, as before, it takes us to an initial dashboard showing access to a variety of reports, charts and maps. However, there are some differences between this and the previous demonstration insofar as we've introduced some additional modules. As you can see, the top left hand corner, we have inventory management. Down here we have order management, and over on the right hand side we have forecast management. So we'll just take a quick look at each of those in turn. So if we have a look at inventory management, what that does, it drops us down to a sub dashboard, and within that sub dashboard we have grouped together everything related to stock. So we have the reports that we've previously seen, the current stock level report, the stock level chart showing the total stock levels for this week within the country, district or region that we have access to. We've got the historical stock levels, so we can see over time, ever since this system's been running, what stock level changes have been, and we have this additional piece of functionality which enables us to reallocate stock. So let's have a look at that. Just click on the item, and the first thing it does excuse me, is it shows us all the facilities that are below their minimum threshold. So it shows the quantity they actually have in stock, it shows the minimum threshold, i.e. what they should have as a minimum, and it shows on the right hand side here the number of facilities that have been found within a predetermined range, with predetermined number of kilometres, and that's predetermined. It can be preset within the configuration, and it can be adjusted here within the search filters. So we want to find all facilities within 10 kilometres that have stock that we can access. So I'll just go through this very quickly. So if we wanted to, we can check very quickly, dive straight into that facility's current stock levels, and as we can see, this facility is completely stocked out of all commodities. So the commodity, you can see this facility appears 5 times for the 5 commodities that it's stocked out of. So we have a look at the first one, RDTs. At the moment it's got nothing, it should have 25, and we found 4 facilities within 10 kilometres that have available stock. If we click on that, it actually drops down and shows those 4 facilities. It shows what the item is that they have in stock. It shows the available quantity and the actual quantity. So we've set an imaginary threshold here of 3, so they need to retain at least 3 for their own use. And if we deduct 3 from the actual quantity, it shows their available quantity. And again, we've got control of this through the filters here. Okay. It shows us here the distance away from our facility that these facilities are. So if you're a district manager, you can take immediate action, call or text the dispensary and say, look, your nearest potential supplier with available stock is 3.26 kilometres away in Moor Hills dispensary, and from within the system we can actually send them a message. So we can say, please send, let's say for the sake of argument, 120 quantities of RDT to this facility. that message would go straight out. It would go to the telephone, the mobile telephone of the appointed stock person within that facility, and it would also go to an inbox within the home page of their Mango system. So very quickly and easily you can identify what's required, where it is, and get the message over to the facility that stock is required.